Comic-Con 2019. It's C-Rad.
We're gonna get some hats.
I already got a hat.
That's much cooler than the Mayans hat I had. Lots of hats.
We're here getting some custom hats made from the good folks at FX. Krista got a Mayans hat. It's one of her favorite shows. I'm getting What We Do in the Shadows hat. Very cool. All right, we're here with a couple of the motorcycles, also known as hogs if you're a Harley fan, from the show Mayans. And a little secret for you. There might be some cast members coming out in a little bit, and we might be able to get a little bit of that on the camera here. Yeah.
I'm gonna get a Mayans tattoo, is that okay? You're totally cool with that? Alright.
So we're in line here at the Mayans tattoo booth, and Krista's going to get a Mayans tattoo somewhere on her body. So Krista, where exactly are you going to get the tattoo? I was suggesting that you get it right there.
No.
No? So where are you going to get the tattoo?
On my arm.
On your arm?
Yeah, probably here.
Elbow?
No, not my elbow. One of my arms. I'm boring.
What if you got one like maybe above the neckline?
On my face, right here?
Yeah, one on your cheek or
No.
forehead?
No.
No?
Forehead. You won't see it. It's my hat.
What if you got one on your butt?
Nobody wants to see that.
Well, I know I sure do.
I'm gonna get tatted Mayan style. Up or down?
All right.
You think there's good?
Getting her Mayans tattoo here. Check it out.
But if you hate it,
Krista, you're a fan of the show.
I love Mayans. I love Kurt Sutter.
Did you like that show, Sons of Anarchy?
Yes.
Whoa, look at that!
Yeah, get off there.
And the people here, they have these really cool vests. Mayans.
Yeah,
What do they call that? What do they call that in the motorcycle world? A cut?
Yes.
Cut.
You get to keep it.
Check out Krista's killer Mayans tattoo. So cool!
Oh my God, so awesome!
Season 2, here we go. That's it. All right.
That guy was my teacher.
Sarah. You want to hold her a second? Oh, thank you. Yeah, what are you going to do? Right here for Craig.
Here, do you want to picture them?
Guys, right here, just like that.
Thank you.
Got it, right? Where do you want us? Hey, Chris. Good.
All right, well, here's the cast of Mayans, one of the best shows on TV right now. Chris acting part-time, and for James Almost right there, checking his tweets.
Brian, Michael's right here. He's getting a shot of them right here. Michael, you gotta come this way.
Very fluorescent.
I will get out of your way. I don't know. Yep. James Olmos.
In fact, Edward James Almost was my English teacher.
Guys. After that trailer, we got the trailer, I'm like, oh man, they both go there. I mean, I like him a lot, but I'll call him Daddy. Mayans season 2. Mayans MC season 2. Yeah, absolutely. Don't you steal it. Or remind me so I can
No, but it's like you're holding wood. Oh, no problem.
This is Elton. He's the co-show brother. Sarah.
We'll see you outside signing. We chase you around the world.
Hi, Sarah. Well, that concludes another episode of C-Rad. We came to see what we saw and we seen it.
And if you like what you saw, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, make sure to hit subscribe and the bell.
All right. Well, see you later.